But dear students, I am going to explain you the mistake in the sentence. He absented from the college. Here, you have to keep in mind that absent is a verb which is used always in reflexive form. What does this mean? It means that if the subject is he, then you have to use himself. So it should be he absented himself from the college. I absented myself from the college. She absented herself from the college. That means whichever subject you are using, accordingly you have to use the reflexive pronoun. If you are writing, children absented themselves from the college. Yes, children is plural. It is third person plural number. That's why we have to write themselves. THEMSELVS. So children absented themselves from the college. Okay? Now in the same way, we absented ourselves from the college. You absented yourself from the college. Here you know that you in singular we use yourself as the reflexive pronoun. If you consider you as a plural, then you have to use yourselves. Okay? Now it depends on you. So if in plural you are writing, then you will say you absented. That means I am talking of many. You absented yourselves from the college. So in this way, you have to use reflexive pronoun with after absented. Then only it will be correct. So I absented myself from the college. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.